Hello guys, welcome to Shaheen's kitchen. It is a long awaited recipe and my children were also demanding for a long time. Yes, it's chicken biryani, so come and learn how to make it. See, this is India Gate Basmati rice. I have soaked them for 20 minutes in lukewarm water because it is cold. Just see the time. I have kept water for boiling. In this, we are going to add salt, one bay leaf, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 2 green cardamom, 2-3 cloves, and little bit of caraway or shazira. The rest of the things we will going to put of green coriander and mint leaves and boil it. This is half a kg of chicken and this is 1 cup of sour curd. Sour curd, 3 tablespoons of coriander powder, 3 tablespoons of red chilli powder. This is also measured whole garam masala. This is about 4 spoons of this size, and salt according to our taste. 1, 2 and 3 spoons will be sufficient. One, and 6 spoons of ginger and garlic paste, 6 green chilies, little bit of coriander. Rest we will put in the layers. Few mint leaves, and these garam masalas, 1 bay leaf or tej patta, cinnamon stick or dalchini. This is caraway or shazira. This is one of the most important ingredient which we put in biryanis. 1 black cardamom or doda ilaichi. This is star. 4 green cardamoms, few cloves, black peppers, and this is mace. Crush it a little bit, and this is nutmeg. Now mix all these things well. Biryanis are prepared in two ways. Some people make just like that. Take a pan, put oil into this and put a layer of boiled rice. But no, I don't make like that. Sometimes the chicken remains undone. So to make it properly, I just cook it for 5 minutes in pressure cooker. And this is fried onion, about 4 large onions. Half of it I am putting into this yakhni and rest we will put into the layers. Some people like to make biryanis with vegetable oil or desi ghee, but I prefer making it in oil, and this is the oil in which we have fried our onions. 1, 2, 3 and 4 spoons of oil. That's all. The chicken with all the material, and now I am going to put a cup of water so that chicken will be cooked nicely, and close the lid for 5 minutes. See the color water has got because of the leaves of coriander and mint. And now we are putting rice after 20 minutes, soaking them in lukewarm water. Half a kg of chicken with half a kg of rice. Don't have to move spoons again and again because this rice is very delicate. When it will start coming on top, I'll show you that this is the right stage to drain them, to drain the water and put the layers. Okay, so we are going to cover it. 5 minutes, the rice has started coming on top because our water was boiling, and water should always be boiling when you will put the biryani rice for boiling. And see how long it has come out. Now this is the right time. Put off the flame and we have to drain out this water. Drain out this water carefully. Now I have shifted this yakhni from pressure cooker to an open wok. These are 2 teaspoons of desi ghee. It gives a very nice aroma to the biryani. And at this stage we are adding lemon juice of half a lemon. In 2 minutes our yakhni will be ready, and then we will going to layer our rice and put it for dum. Put a layer of rice, a layer of chicken along with gravy and all the juices, mint leaves, coriander leaves, fried onion, then again repeat it. You'll enjoy this biryani because the chicken is cooked properly. In kachi biryani, sometimes the chicken or mutton remains uncooked and you find it difficult to eat, and all the mood for biryani spoils. So don't spoil the mood. Try out this recipe and don't forget to tell me how did you like it or dislike it, or you have found any shortcomings into this. Then again repeat it. The final stage. Always soak your rice for 20 minutes in lukewarm water and boil your water properly so that you will get this long grain And don't put spoon again and again, otherwise your rice will break and all the beauty of biryani will go. And with this remaining gravy, just with the gravy, I am going to make raita out of it. It tastes wonderful with mint leaf, curd. I am going to dilute it, so I am leaving this much. You get along with biryani, sometimes you get dalcha made with chana dal or gram dal. I have shown how to prepare dalcha in my pulao video, how to make pulao. You can see. And finally, many a times you don't get mint, so don't bother about it. Mint is one of the main ingredient, but it is possible to make a biryani even without mint. Sometimes even I don't get in my town. And one more thing, this is Cura water. It is totally optional. If you like, you can put, otherwise you can omit. It gives a nice aroma to your biryani. And this is color. Once again, it is optional if you don't like the use of artificial colors. But biryani is traditionally made like this, so I am showing how to make traditionally. This is the yellow color. That's all. And now we will going to, this is a simple dough with which we make our chapatis or parathas. We have to seal our vessel so that air will not escape from it and biryani will be nicely get its dum. And now on slow flame we will keep it for about 10 to 15 minutes and just open it before you want to eat it and enjoy it. So next we will going to make raita with this. If you like this recipe, please do comment and subscribe.